Here at Simple Green, we understand that when it comes to cleaning and degreasing in the workplace, you need to get the job done quickly and effectively. That's why we make Simple Green Industrial Cleaner and Degreaser. The concentrated formula is an effective and economic solution for powerful cleaning and degreasing without caustic cleaners and solvents. Simple Green Industrial Cleaner and Degreaser can be diluted, providing up to 30 times the cleaning value. For lighter cleaning jobs, use a 1 to 30 dilution. This solution is perfect for cleaning tables in the break room, mopping floors, and preparing walls for painting. It cuts through dirt and grime in high traffic areas without leaving behind a sticky residue. For wiping down countertops in kitchens and bathrooms, Simple Green can be diluted 1 to 10. It can be used to deodorize trash cans and dumpsters, or for spot cleaning carpet and upholstery. For greasy tools and machined parts, Simple Green can be diluted 1 to 1. This dilution is powerful enough to clean a grease trap, but can also be used to pre-treat stains before throwing work clothes in the wash. Full-strength Simple Green Industrial Cleaner and Degreaser can be used for your toughest grease and grime on vehicle engines and machinery. And there you have it. 4 levels of cleaning power in one bottle.